So how is the expansion plan going right now?
Thank you. We're very bold about China. We believe in the future of China, and we believe in the future of our business in China. We're very committed. And this investment that we said last year was going to be $2 billion is a good demonstration of that. It's an investment for 3 years. We're well on track for that investment. We opened 3 plants last year. We're opening 2 plants this year, and the biggest plant that we had so far in China is going to start as we speak. We're also making significant investments in innovation. I don't know if you heard, but we opened a very brand new, a very big and important center of development and innovation in Shanghai last year. We invested $90 million there, and it's already producing results.
You mentioned the 2 new plants to be opened this year. How large is the investment involved for the 2 plants?
But I think between those 2 plants, that's around $50 million. They're very efficient plants. That's only the production side. The production side, if you add distribution and trucks and people, that number will increase. But the asset itself, putting in additional capacity, is in the order of $50 million.
The $2 billion investment clearly demonstrates your confidence in the Chinese market. What's behind your confidence or your such ambitious and bold expansion plan here in China? Have you done any research or statistics regarding how large the Chinese potential is?
Thank you. That's a good question. Let me try to share from a couple of angles. First, from the macroeconomics as they apply to our business. Everybody knows that China has been very successful, and we just joined the crowds believing that it's going to continue, that it's just a matter of time, that this economy is going to be maybe the biggest economy on earth, just given the sheer size. But more important and particular to our business, there's a significant growth of, first of all, of people coming into the cities, urbanization, also the growth of middle class. So basically what it means is that in China there's going to be 300-400 million more people in the next 12 years coming into the middle class, coming into work, into rural areas with money, and that are going to come into consuming ready-to-drink beverages that are like this, that are packed and ready to drink. The industry in China, or the business of beverages, the piece of the pie that is ready to drink is very small compared to many other countries. The potential, first of all, to convert non-ready to drink beverages, whether it's teas, brewed teas, juices, into packaged goods, into ready to drink, is enormous. And within that, our potential is very big. So that's another important angle. A proof point of that is that our company, our per capita of all our drinks, per capita being the number of beverages that someone drinks per year, every individual on average, in China is around 30. In a country like Mexico, it's 600. So imagine the potential if in a few years we're like Mexico. I don't think I can do the number in my head. It's too big for me. So that's a proof point for that. The other reason why we are very bullish on China, so I mentioned what everybody knows, the potential of the economy. I mentioned the forces of urbanization and the wealth of people. I also just mentioned to you that the per cap is very low. The other reason is because we have a track record as a company to be able now, we've been here for more than 30 years, to grow our business. And if we just look backwards on our enthusiasm and our belief, we have a lot of confidence in and believe that we can continue to grow our business through investments.